Hi everyone, my name is Ahmed El Sayed. I'm the Regional Channel Manager for HPE Aruba for Middle East and Africa. So our strategy has been primarily inspired by the company mission, which is building up an end-to-end portfolio that pretty much covers from edge to cloud and wrapped up by a platform that can be offered in as-a-service mode to our customers. And hence, our channel strategy was built on three key elements. First is to scale on enterprise. And this does not just mean the high-level engagement with the specialized vertical partners that we have in the market, but also to make sure that we are able and equip them with the right pre-sales, sales, and post-sales support that can help them increase their footprint at their customer base. And of course, enablement is a key, because the product knowledge and the technology knowledge is one thing, but the more important element is how can they convert that knowledge into a real business outcome and smart digital experience for our customers. Number two, which is scaling on our network as a service offering, because we have realized that the market behavior has been changing and customers are expecting not just the world-class products, but also different means and ways of deploying those products. So what we have done is that we have created multiple platforms that can allow our channel partners the flexibility in terms of offering network as a service to our customers. So let me give you an example on that. The partner can play a role of a system integrator while reselling our solution into an OpEx mode than an APEX mode, or they can also take the role of being a managed services provider for their customers while taking our solution, wrap it up with their own value-added services, and create a real business outcome for the customers. Third element, which is to scale on the SMB space. Now we know that mobility is key and it defines everything in the SMB space. And what we have done is that we've innovated in both technology and in our channel partner program to make sure that it's catered for all customers of all sizes and help also our SMB partners to scale in that space. So there has been a lot of interesting news that's taking place lately with HPE Aruba in terms of acquisitions or alliances or innovation. So what we have basically done is that we have invested heavily in three key areas. The first one is the data center networking, and that took place with the launch of the TX10K switch as a collaboration with our AMD partner to bring up a world-class data center switch that has an extremely next-generation firewall capabilities, which means that our customers can get the price of the connectivity and the security with one. The second area of investment was acquiring a company called Athonet, which is a private 5G. Now we understand that private 5G that will never replace wireless, but it's always important to complement our portfolio that is catered for every possible customer requirement. And there are some customers that with certain nature that have public venues and open spaces that would require a more high speed of connectivity where they can shift between private 5G and wireless. And last but not least, of course, our amazing new release of our next generation cloud management network solution platform, which is Aruba Central, which is very unique, and it has a much better user-friendly interface to our customers, and it has a very unique features in that new release. And let me give you one example of those features. There is a feature called time travel, where an IT operator can pick up to a specific minute in the past to trace and track the connectivity performance for a particular user or a particular application. And that is like the dream of any IT operator. I think that helps a lot in terms of automation and in terms of time to repair if any problem happens. And last but not least is the acquisition that is 100% complementing our complete SASE model, right? Which is Access, which is a cloud security-based company, right? And if you think about the concept of SASE Secure Access Services Edge, that consists of 5 key elements. First is the networking connectivity, then the networking firewall, and then there are another 3 elements with this acquisition have helped us to complete, which is zero trust networking access, secure web gateway, and cloud-based secure broker. Of course, with all the interesting news that are happening with Aruba, being the expansions on portfolio or the alliances that we're building with our partners in the market, we wouldn't miss a chance for a platform like GITEX to showcase our solutions in action. Because the ultimate objective is to drive a business outcome for our customers. And hence we have a complete showcase and demo case that does not just represent our entire portfolio, but it's also catered for specific verticals that can be reflected or translated into a business outcome use case for our customers.